Hi students, welcome to my topic, Chemistry of F block elements. This is a part of Inorganic Chemistry Commander Unit 2. I am Dr. Praveena, lecturer in Chemistry, SAS Government Degree College, Narayanpuram. In this Chemistry of F block elements, we have to discuss about the chemistry of lanthanides, its electronic structure, oxidation states, lanthanide contraction and its consequences, magnetic properties. Chemistry of actinides, electronic configuration, oxidation states, actinide contraction, comparison of lanthanides and actinides, and separation of lanthanides by ion exchange method and solvent extraction method. Coming to the definition of lanthanides, these elements in which differentiating electron enters into antipenultimate subshell or N-2F subshell are called F block elements. F block elements are also known as inner transition elements. The general electronic configuration of these elements is N-2F1 to 14, N-1D0 to 1, NS2. 4F series lanthanides, or otherwise it's also called lanthanones. In these elements, differentiating electron enters into 4F orbitals. This series consists of lanthanum, that is the atomic number Z is equal to 57, and the next 14 elements, that means 58 to 71. Strictly according to this definition, only 13 elements from cerium to ytterbium should be the numbers of this series, because lanthanum and lutetium have either empty and completely filled F orbitals. Originally, these elements were called rare earths because for many as pure compounds of the elements were difficult to obtain. Nowadays, the term rare earth is avoided because many of these elements are far from rare. Coming to the electronic configuration of lanthanides, the electronic configuration of lanthanides are not known with certainty. The reason being the fact that the 5d and 4f electrons are so close in energy that it is not always possible to decide whether the electron entered into 5d orbital or 4f orbital. This is the electronic configuration in two views. In the one view, lanthanum to lutetium, the electron enters into the 4f subshell, 4f0 to 4f14. In the other view, the electrons enter into the 4f subshell. The first one 4f0, second element, the electron enters into the 4f, the two electrons enter into the 4f coming to the cerium. Next 4f3, 4f4. In these electronic configuration, the 5d has the 0 electronic configuration, 5d 0. Here the 5d 1 is there. So it is one view, another view of the electronic configuration. Next, coming to the oxidation state, lanthanides display various oxidation states, but much less than those displayed by the transition elements. The characteristic and the most stable oxidation state of lanthanide is +3. So, lanthanides exhibit an oxidation state of +3. Lanthanum shows only +3 oxidation, which is of course the characteristic and most stable oxidation of the lanthanides is +3. Whereas in case of gadolinium and lutetium, it can only the tripositive ions gadolinium +3, lutetium +3. Because the removal of 3 electrons gives the stable electronic configuration 4f7 and 4f14. In addition to the usual +3 oxidation states, some of the lanthanides show +2 and +4 oxidation states also. It can be explained in terms of extra stability associated with empty, half-filled or completely filled 4f subshell. Coming to the lanthanide contraction, lanthanides show regular decrease in the size of atoms or ions with increase in atomic numbers as we move across from lanthanum to lutetium. This is called lanthanide contraction. Among lanthanides, lanthanum has the largest and lutetium has the smallest radius. Coming to the cause of lanthanide contraction, in the lanthanides, the additional electron enters the 4f subshell. Then the attraction between the nucleus and the valence electrons increases to the size of the atom decreases. Consequences of lanthanide contraction. The main consequences are similar chemical properties. Because of this lanthanide contraction, almost all the atoms show similar signs, so the chemical properties are similar, and some differences in properties like solubility, complex formation. These proper differences help the separation of lanthanide elements by fractional crystallization or ion exchange method. Coming to the basic strength of hydroxide, as the site of the lanthanide ion decreases from cerium to lutetium, the covalent character of MOH bond increases and hence the basic strength decreases. Thus, cerium OH thrice is more basic while lutetium hydroxide is least basic. Coming to the magnetic properties of lanthanides, substances which are weakly attracted into the magnetic field are called paramagnetism. It can be caused by the presence of unpaired electrons. Substances which are repelled by magnetic field are called diamagnetic substances. It is also called diamagnetism. It is caused by the presence of paired electrons. Thus, lanthanum plus 3 and lutetium plus 3 having no unpaired electrons. So, these two are diamagnetics. Except lanthanum and lutetium, all are paramagnetic substances. So, this is about the lanthanides. In the next video, we will discuss about the 5 series that are actinides.